Let's get started with Cosine CLI. As soon as you type cos, you'll be presented with this interface, and in this input box, you can start talking to the agent. Today, let's ask for something silly. So search the internet and find an image of a cat to add to the first page of the docs. We'll press enter in that, and here locally we're running the Cosine docs, and it's going to make the changes to that. So we've requested for it to go and find us a lovely cat image to embed into the docs. Who doesn't love cats? Now, the important thing here is we've got a good overview of everything that's going on in the TUI, the terminal interface. Over here on the left-hand side, we have our chat history with the agent. We can see everything that we've asked. And most importantly, we can see everything that the agent is doing for us. It updates us continuously about how it's going about a problem, where it's looking, etc. So you have a very clear overview of how it is approaching a problem. And we can see it's starting to tick away. It's also created a nice to-do list, which we can see both on the left and over here on the right, which is pinned and very convenient for us. On the right, we can also see a bunch of useful information about this workspace. So we can see which model we're using. We can see the token usage in this nice and colorful graph. Whilst that's doing, yes, I would like you to make those changes. We can see it's ticking off the to-do list. And down here at the bottom, we have our area for MPC and LSP servers. So if you've got any of those set up, you can have a good overview there. And we can see it's chugging away, getting that cat image. Whilst it does that, I'm going to quickly show you the commands that are available. Probably one of the more interesting ones is the model. So you can toggle between a whole range of different models that are provided for you within Cosine. There's quite a lot of them. Mess around with that. You can also change the reasoning effort. Yes, I would like to run that command. You can also change the reasoning effort as well as switching the mode the agent is operating in. So we've got plan, which is great for research if you don't want to make any changes to the code base. We have swarm if you want to run multiple agents, manual and auto as well. You can also add skills, browse skills, and add your own. And let's come back over. So I think we're almost finished. It looks like it is rebuilding the docs for us. And as it does that, we can jump right over to our documentation, and we can see we've got our beautiful image of a cat. So that's just a quick taste of how to get going with the Cosine CLI. There's a whole host more that you can do with it, but dive in and start giving it your most juicy coding problems.